Should be. You gonna make it up? Yeah, it should be. Yeah.
Hey, so this fool's gonna like mask our shit right and make sure.
Yeah, he's redoing the door jams. He's redoing the door jams. He's doing everything for you. I ain't paying $4,000 to get it fucking done wrong.
Blow it on first. This shit was way easier than mine.
I think your brake's dragging.
I did. Kiss the front.
Right. Right.
All the way.
The tires are lined up, right?
Tires are lined up?
Yeah. Yeah, you're clear. I think you're close to it. You want to use there.
Yeah, it should work a little bit. Alright guys, so pretty much as you guys seen, I didn't do no talking. We actually had a little bit more time because there was a delay on getting the car out of here. So as you guys seen, you got his car now at my house. My car is loaded up and it's actually on its way to the painters, and we're actually following the toll guy. So car is now on its way to paint. So still looks good for being on Steelies. Unfortunately, we did not finish the exhaust setup on the car. It's just small little things I need to do to it in order for the car exhaust to be all done. But we're on our way now to the painter, and we'll pick back up when we get there. What's up guys, welcome back. So pretty much as you guys seen on the last clip, we ended up dropping off the car to the paint guy. So painter has the car now. He's gonna have it for about 3 weeks. I sat there talking to him for about a cool 45 minutes just to make sure that we're on the same game plan on what needs to be done. I'm very picky on the paint, as you guys know. I told him just to please make sure that there was coverage on every single piece and everything had coverage of base before even proceeding to clear coat. I bought more material because it needed to be purchased, and as far as the base coat, it was already there. It was enough because I already had bought some previous. So the game plan is that he is going to be fully sanding down the whole entire car once again. He's also going to be doing the door jams, and the main reason why we're taking all of the paint off is because we don't want to run the risk of later on the paint peeling and being so brittle underneath the new coat of paint that something really bad can happen, and that is the paint peeling. I don't want that to happen, so everything is going to be pretty much taken down to body work, so that way he can do some last minute touches that he's seen that there was still dings. He's going to fix those. Unfortunately, we are going to be running the sunroof. I'm just not really going to be using it, so we're going to go ahead and place it in there. He's going to fix everything, make sure that it's pretty much all painted correctly and all the trims and everything is done. He's also, like I said, going to be doing the door jam, so all that has to be sanded, because when the painter had it the last time, you can see chips, you can still see parts on it that were just not done correctly. Plus 2 doors still needed to be painted in the inside of the door jams. So came to the agreement. Everything's going to get repainted except for the engine bay, and pretty much we're going to start off fresh. He is going to be blocking, high building, making sure the body is straight before he starts laying down any base coat and so on and so forth. He's also going to be sealing up the car with sealer, so that way all the paint will be uniform, so when he lays down the base it will all match and we won't have like different shades of blue, green, or whatever everybody wants to call it. But after that we had talked to him, I ended up going to the paint department or paint shop, paint store, and picking up new material, which I have here. He's actually going to be coming down in a few hours later on tonight to pick all that up. so that way he can have it, because we did notice that a lot of the material was still it just wasn't enough material. There wasn't enough clear coat. When I got it back, I had maybe a little bit less than half of that big old 5-quart jug, and it just is not going to be enough, because I'm pretty sure he just used it on something else, on somebody else's cars. It is what it is. I just learned to move through with it. You know, I spoke with my wife about it, and just bought new material, just so that way we can make sure we have enough, so that way the painter won't have any issues, and that way we don't prolong the process. So now everything is here, he'll pick it up and we can move on to the next step. But now getting back to my brother's Civic wagon, we got a big way to go. I mean, a long ways to go to get this car finished. We got a few weeks to actually dedicate time and everything into it. I have to do a brake tuck to it. I have to relocate the proportioning valve, pretty much weld up the engine bay, weld up the mount, put the motor in temporarily to make sure the mount is straight, and you guys will see all that happen in the next couple of videos. One big thing that there is on this car, after just taking a walk around on it, trying to come up with a game plan, trying to see where everything was at, see where the fuse box was at, I came to find out that everything that this big name person built was a spaghetti factory in the bottom of the carpet. You had the fuse box from the engine bay in there, you have an MSD fuel box. It's a nightmare, and I'll go ahead and put a small clip of it so you guys can see it towards the end. And again, to think somebody that big of a name of caliber can build such a crappy harness and not make things correctly, and I don't know how anybody even drove in this damn passenger seat when he did ride with passengers, because I'm pretty sure this should have been a fire. But we're gonna make things right, we're gonna fix it, and hopefully we can get this car done in time for the Honda meet in March, on March 23rd. So pretty much, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, please smash the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think and what you guys look forward to. Again, huge shout out to everybody for the 2,000 subscribers. We finally made it to 2,000, and hopefully we can keep growing from here, and just continue making more videos, because I do have a lot more in store to come to the channel once this all-wheel drive Civic EK is done. But with that being said, guys, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Till next time.
What we do here is go back.